Hey, welcome to Plumbing Gurus. My name's Karsten. On this channel, we strive to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. Secret number one, what to do before starting your business. And we've got 4 quick tips for secret number one. Number one, when is the right time to go out on your own? Well, there is no better time than right now. If you're feeling nervous or scared or even uncertain about doing this, that is totally normal. We felt the same thing. And actually, I started my business when my first child was born. Talk about being scared. I constantly asked myself, will I be able to take care of my family? These are the things that will always be going through your head. And starting a business is kind of like having a child. You'll never really feel ready until you just do it. If I had a mentoring program like this when I started, I would have jumped on it in a heartbeat. So the best thing you can do for yourself right now is tell yourself you're ready and do it. We'll be your mentors and be there to guide you and keep you accountable. Number 2, do you have the right mindset to run your own business? Having the right mindset isn't something you're born with, and these are the things that you need to work on daily. Being able to understand that you are no longer an employee and this is your business now, you have to wake up every day and be ready to take on all the different challenges of running a business. So let us be the ones to help you on that journey. If we can do it, I promise you can do it too. Mindset is something you can work on and can be taught. You just have to be willing to learn. All right, number 3, how much money do I need to start my own business? Well, you don't really need a ton of money to start a plumbing business. You will want to make sure that you have a vehicle that you can work out of. Also, you'll want a couple of thousand for some startup fees, but having a good cushion to fall back on will definitely help. So knowing you have all the right tools, a vehicle, and work lined up, you should be good to get started. All right, thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. We really appreciate it. If you're enjoying this type of content, let us know what other kind of content we can make for you for the business side of things, or if you have any questions about plumbing and the industry itself, please let us know. We're here to help. If you are more interested in seeing more of this type of content, we will be posting a lot more of this stuff on YouTube, but there's a free training in the link description below that is not going to be on YouTube. You can only get it exclusively through that link, so check it out. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video.